doorstep is all I see, but that is all you ask of me. Not every turn, not every way, just enough light for today. The road ahead may twist and bend, but I don't need to know the end, because your word is always near, a steady voice that leads me here. Light my path step by step, even when I don't see it. You are guiding where I go, more than I could ever know. Light my path, calm my heart, even when I don't know where to start. I will trust the way you lead, because you are all I need. You are all I need. I used to want the whole design, every answer, every sign, but now I see it differently. You're shaping faith inside of me. One small light is all it takes to lead me through the darkest place. Light my path, I'm not alone, even on this road unknown. Every step is held by grace, every turn reveals your face, and as the morning fills the sky, I lift my heart and lift my eyes. Light my path, I'll follow through. Every step leads back to you. The sun begins to rise again, a quiet hope within the wind. The weight I carried yesterday feels lighter in the light of grace. I lift my eyes beyond the ground to something higher, deeper found, a strength that's not my own to give, but one that teaches me to live. A new day begins, I rise in you, with strength renewed and vision true. I will not fear what comes my way, because you walk with me today. A new day begins, my heart is free from everything that burdened me. And as I step into the light, I know you're with me in this life. Even when I feel so small, even when I start to fall, lift me up, you make me new, reminding me what you can do. They who wait will rise again, on wings of hope, on faith within. A new day begins, I stand in grace, with peace that nothing can replace. Every breath, every move leads me closer back to you. And when the day begins to end, I'll know you were there again. A new day begins in me, because your love has set me free. The light breaks through the quiet sky, a brand new breath, a brand new try. The night is gone, the weight feels less. I wake within your faithfulness. The world is still, the air is clear, and in this calm I feel you near. Not through the noise, not through the rush, but in the morning's gentle hush. Every sunrise, every day, you meet me here along the way. Morning mercy, fresh and new, every breath leads back to you. All I need is found right here, in this quiet, in this prayer. No regret, no yesterday can take this moment you have made. Morning mercy, soft and true, I begin my day with you. I leave behind what I can't change. The past no longer holds my name, because your grace is always now, a present gift I'm living in. New every morning, never late, your love arrives before I wake. Morning mercy, now I see you were always here with me. Every step, every start, you are writing on my heart. And whatever comes today, I will walk within your grace. Morning mercy, I am new as I start